Thank you everyone for tuning into our YouTube channel, Save Green here. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Our channel is dedicated to saving you green, saving you money on everyday life things. In this situation, we're going to talk about your health because healthcare is very, very, very expensive. If you don't know this already, and if you're just thinking about getting better at your health, just look at the cost of healthcare, health insurance even. And even if you do have coverage, look at what you're paying in your deductible and so forth. It's just getting out of control. So the best thing to do is for you to be the CEO of your body. You take care of your health and try to grasp all these readings that you might hear or see on the internet, or someone's telling you, or your doctor's telling you, BMI, body fat, etc. So one way to do that is obviously to have a good scale. And when it comes to scales, now scales have been evolving through the years, and this is a smart scale, and smart scales are also very expensive because it's associated with healthcare. But this one here from GE is what they call a smart scale, and we're going to unbox it today and show you different things that they can do for you as far as your health. Because if you've gone to the doctor, you know that one way to take care of your health is you actually doing something about it, not just taking pills. And doctors are going to try to push pills on you, and this is one way you can do it. So what does a smart scale do? This goes beyond telling you your weight, because your weight only tells a small portion of picture. You want to see what your body fat is. How much of that weight is fat? How much of that weight is your bones? How much of it is muscle? And then you also want to check your different types of fat. Now, interesting enough, so you might be asking, what is the visceral fat? And this is the fat that surrounds your internal organs. It's the fat that's around your liver, your pancreas, your kidneys. And this is important to know this because this is deep inside your abdominal cavity, and this is surrounding these organs. And it's not the fat that you can pinch. This is like deep inside. And even if you don't look overweight, even if you're like skinny or slim, you might have high visceral fat, and this will tell you about that. Now, this is important because when you have high numbers of visceral fat, this contributes to, for example, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, insulin resistance, fatty liver disease, and also inflammation in the body. You've probably heard that before, inflammation, and it's a big deal. So what are signs that you might have these high numbers? You're going to have a high waistline. You're going to have hard or firm protruding belly fat. And that's not always the case, but that can be the case. And you might have a high waist measurement, as I mentioned. Sedentary lifestyle, if you're not very active, if you have high stress, poor sleep, or excess calories, and even genetics. So these are things that you can keep track of and try to improve yourself. So some doctors, of course, like I said, healthcare is very expensive, will send you to get a CT scan to get that. But this smart scale gives you a little bit of a better picture as far as that type of fat versus not knowing anything at all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up just so you can see what's in it. And we'll go over some of these details in just a minute. It does have a manual, which you want to make sure you don't throw away. Let me set this off to the side. Very sleek, as you can see here. Very sleek machine. And it does come wrapped in plastic. I noticed my box came a little humid, so it was wet. It's been rainy the last couple days in our area. So this is nice that it has this, because you don't want electronics to get wet with high humidity and whatnot. So let's go ahead and open it up, take the plastic out of the way and show you the elements of a smart scale. So as you can see, It doesn't take a lot of space. You can even tuck it under your bed. This smart scale will give you a bigger picture as far as your health. This is going to show you your weight, of course, your body fat, what percent of your total weight on the scale is body fat. So for example, let's just say for the sake of argument, you weigh 200 pounds and your body fat percent is 10%. So that means you basically have 20 pounds of fat on your body. So it gives you that idea. It's going to tell you your muscle mass, what percent, what your body water percent is. This is good if you want to know how hydrated you are. I know some people sometimes say, I just don't drink enough water. This is how you know if you're hydrated or not. You want to keep that percentage high. That's telling you you're hydrated. So on top of that, it's also going to tell you your BMI. This is something that the healthcare industry uses a lot. Your bone mass, what percent of your weight is bones. And then, of course, what we talked about, visceral fat, which is very important. And this is what I like about it. So how it works is you're going to stand on your scale. You're going to put your feet here, top of your foot on each side, your left foot and your right foot, and then your heels will be here. It'll take a few seconds to calculate everything. And then you're going to pull this up towards you. You're going to put your thumbs here, and then all your fingers are going to be here, just like so. And it's going to take all these measurements. And this is like a really nice data center. Now, the manufacturer being GE, and I like the scale, number one, because it's very inexpensive. Like I said, Save Green here. So you're going to pay about $80 for this one, maybe a little bit more for the white one because they have a black and a white. And I'm giving you prices mid-2026. So that might change by the time you see this video down the road. So you're going to bring this up about waist high. That cable that's inside that retracts is also a data cable. So it's sending the data down into from here to the scale itself. The data later is going to transfer over to your app. So you do have to download an app that helps you work it. But this is genius. You have 50 different body composition analysis and 5 segmental measurements with the scale. It doesn't take a lot of space. Now, the manufacturer, GE, does tell you that if you have a pacemaker or internal medical device, not to use it, or if you are pregnant. But these are just some of the things that you can do with it. The sky's the limit with it, basically. It does work with apps. It works with the Apple Health or Apple Watch app. It does work with the Google Fit app and Fitbit. Now, Fitbit was just recently purchased by Google themselves. So by the time you see this video, Fitbit no longer is the app. It's going to be the Google Fit app, okay? And then it does allow you to share your results like through Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. So you can share with your friends and let everyone know how you're doing. If you have a little group that you're working with to motivate each other, this is one way you can share it with your friends as well. And it lets you set goals, track your progress, whether you do it daily, weekly, monthly, however you want to do, even yearly, so you can compare your progress as far as your health from the time that you started until the current time that you're in now. So that's another thing you can do. So I decided to unbox it, show you. It's not very heavy at all. I mean, you can feel that it is heavier than a traditional scale, and that's just because of the components that are inside. But clear cut, just download the app, follow the prompts, install the app, and get started, because this is going to be your way to a better, healthier you, just by having an $80 investment versus hundreds and hundreds of dollars in pills and everything. When you're lost and you're trying to get to someone's house, the first thing they're going to ask you is, well, where are you so I can help you get here? Well, when it comes to your health, the first thing you want to know before you do anything is find out where you're at, see where you're at. And this is going to tell you where you're at and what you need to do to improve certain numbers. So hopefully this helps you. Again, it's very inexpensive. I've seen these type of smart scales like $300. And the fact, and GE is a name you can trust for years. I mean, I've used GE products for decades, so they're a good product for you to try out. So try it out. If you already own it, or if you're going to own it, let me know in the comments below what your results are, how you like it, what you think could be better. But I'm going to go ahead and try it out myself. So just figured we'd do an unboxing so you can see what you're getting and pretty much what it does for you. So until next time, if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. Give us a like. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time.